Hello everyone. Today we're comparing two popular screen protection options, the Spigen tempered glass and the ZAGG Invisible Shield. So let's see which one offers the best defense for your device's screen. So first up, the protection and durability. So both Spigen and ZAGG offer tempered glass screen protectors designed to resist scratches and absorb impacts. However, they achieve this with different technologies. The Spigen often focuses on high hardness ratings and precise cutouts for a seamless fit. ZAGG, on the other hand, is known for its proprietary technologies like their self-healing and antimicrobial coatings and various tiers of protection. Next, let's talk about the clarity and touch sensitivity. So both brands aim to maintain the original clarity and touch sensitivity of your device's screen. Spigen often uses oleophobic coatings to resist fingerprints and smudges. ZAGG offers different finishes, including matte and high gloss, to cater to different user preferences. Now let's consider the installations and ease of use. So Spigen screen protectors typically comes with an installation tray or frame for precise alignment. ZAGG also offers installation tools and often provides a wet installation option for some of their film-based protectors. And some tempered glass protectors are now offered with an installation tray, so both brands offer online instructions. So the price and warranty are important factors to consider when buying a screen protector. So Spigen screen protectors are generally more budget friendly, offering excellent protection at a competitive price. ZAGG, on the other hand, often comes with a higher price tag, but they usually offer a limited lifetime warranty, which can be a valuable investment for some users. So ultimately, the best choice depends on your individual needs and priorities. Spigen tempered glass is a great choice for those who want a reliable protection at an affordable price and appreciate easy installation. ZAGG Invisible Shield is a compelling option for those who prioritize advanced features like self-healing and antimicrobial coatings, and the peace of mind that comes with a limited lifetime warranty. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful comparison reviews.